Hi, this is the Asus ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to activate the turn off silent mode on this device. So just to do that, press up or down one button. You'll see here this bell icon. To activate silent mode, you should switch normal bell to the crest one, and we could see the message that our calls and notifications, they will be muted. So this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, by the same way, click to the crest bell, switch it to the regular one. Our calls and notifications, they will ring. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here sound icon. Just click twice on this icon. Now it's switched to the mute one. So this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click the mute icon and it will be switched to the sound one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.